we'll guide you through how to make grid background in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create clean and aesthetic grid backgrounds for videos, presentations, or motion graphics. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Right-click on the project panel to open additional options for creating new items. Select New Item from the menu. Then choose Color Matte to create a solid background layer. Click OK to confirm your selection. After that, choose a color according to your needs. Then click OK to apply the color. Click OK again to confirm the settings and create the color matte. Once the color matte is created, drag the color matte onto the timeline so it becomes your background layer. Next, click File on the top menu to import additional media into your project. Select Import from the menu. Then choose the grid image you want to use as an overlay. Click Open to import it into the project panel. After the grid image is successfully imported, drag the grid onto the timeline and place it above the color matte layer so it appears as an overlay. This allows the grid to be visible on top of the background. Then, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust how the grid appears on your video. Adjust the scale according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so the grid fits properly within the frame. If needed, adjust the position according to your needs so it aligns correctly with your composition. Scroll down until you find the Opacity section, which controls how the overlay blends with the background. Change the blend mode to Multiply so the grid integrates naturally with the color matte. If needed, adjust the opacity according to your preference to control how strong or subtle the grid appears. After that, go to the Effects panel to add additional visual adjustments. In the search bar, type ramp to quickly find the effect. Drag the ramp effect onto the color matte on the timeline so you can enhance the background. Then scroll down in the Effect Controls panel until you find the ramp section. Change the end color according to your needs. Then click OK to confirm the changes and complete your grid background setup.